is up? Welcome back. Do you like to do it, build it, or make it?
So do we.
And we have new videos each week. If you're new here, we're all about laser crafting, DIY projects, and turning your creativity into profit.
And today we're sharing our top 5 laser projects that make money. If you're new to lasers and you're looking to make some new projects that sell quickly and easily, then these are going to be great.
Stick around to the end where we'll even share some pricing techniques for your laser projects and where you can sell them. Project number 1, layered name signs. I love these. These are great, and they make great gifts or even home decor items.
Yeah, these are perfect for weddings, someone's last name, baby showers, a new baby name. They're great little gifts to give, great for kids. Kids love these. Like this one's our daughter, and she was in, or is in band, so mine has music notes through it.
And I went a little bit bigger, and I like the BMX, so mine's got some BMX stuff in there. And I went with 4 layers and pretty big, but you don't need to go this big. You could do this out of wood, acrylic, something that gives it a contrast. I think you could sell these from like 40 bucks all the way up to like $100. And depending on size and materials, that's pretty good profit.
And you can do so many things. You want to start with some clean fonts. So this is a basic font here with Grace's name, and then a simple design. It can go up from there, which would add cost and value. Also, you can add lights. Like Garrett does have 4 layers here, and he's got space behind his BMX shape, so you can add lights back there.
There's so many things. That was the plan.
Yeah, there's so many cool things you can do.
And these were very easy to make. We used Canva and Lightburn to create the cut file. And that was it. I mean, it was pretty easy. And to get the whole step-by-step video, you can click a link right over Kim's head. It'll take you right there. Project number 2, name banks, or like letter banks. These are great gifts for kids who are looking to save money or don't know they need to start saving money.
Think themes, so like Dino Dollars, Princess Savings, things like that. You can do a lot of custom things with this. You can take it to different levels. Mine has the letter with some flowers on it. Garrett actually went a step further and added his name. Everything has his name on it.
One more level. And the animal shapes are very popular also. This is a great way to personalize that money savings. This is easy to do again. We just used Canva, and then I think we used Creative Space to make these.
You can make them out of wood and acrylic. You're gonna, right here we have 3, let's see, this is 4 layers of MDF and a layer of acrylic in there, just to keep that space so that you have room for the coins and the dollar bills to drop.
These are great holiday gifts, birthday gifts. Grandparents love to give banks because they know the value of saving.
And these sell for anywhere between, let's say, probably I would sell this one for about $25 up to $35 or $45, depending upon how much detail, how much customization is involved. And we have all the details and how-to in this video right here.
Project number 3, a mini signpost. Now this is a great way to get your feet wet with some interchangeables. You can batch out the bases, and then the customer can swap out the signs for the season. It feels interchangeable.
And these are such a great versatile home decor piece. This can go in your entryway and say welcome. This could have a monogram on it. You can put this in the kitchen and change it out for the seasons, have lemons for the summertime, something fun for the fall. It could even be perfect for your office or your desk and say kind of more funny office sayings or snarky sayings. We do some fun ones like that.
This is made out of 1/4-inch MDF, so it's pretty inexpensive to make. You just throw it together with some glue, spray it. You can batch these out in no time. You can get 10-inch designs on our website, or you can even take the 16-inch door hanger signs and shrink those down. This is great because you could sell these signs for about $25 to $35, and then the post is about $20. It's a great bundle offer too.
Yes, and we offer the SVG for the signpost. We also offer the SVG for the signs, as well as the DIY kits. If you want to make the sign and post, we offer the DIY kits on our website at kngmakeit.com.
It's just a fun way to get into the interchangeable game.
We have a whole video on how we made our signposts and our signs right here.
Project 4, customized coasters. These are an affordable, quick make that are great for personal or corporate gifts.
These are great because you can make these out of wood, cork, slate. You can personalize them with logos, designs, monograms. Pair them with a tumbler and make these a premium gift set. I think they're just a really great beginner project and a great way to not only sell to consumer, but also to sell to businesses.
You can find blanks anywhere. You don't need to go order them. You can find them at Walmart, Ross, TJ Maxx, anywhere where you can find a coaster. Take them out of their package, engrave it, put it back in the package. You could probably sell a 4-pack for about $12 to $15.
You can use your diode laser, your CO2 laser, your fiber laser if you want to do some embossing. So there's just a lot of options here. It's an affordable way to start making gifts and selling them quickly and easily.
We have a full step-by-step tutorial right here. Project number 5, laser engraved tumblers. Now these are always in demand for events, gifts, or promotional products. You can use any laser to make these. Using the rotary attachment makes engraving on the curved surfaces a breeze. And with the powder coat on the tumblers, the designs just pop.
And these are perfect for logos, names, monograms, any kind of personalization sells especially well.
And we have a full step-by-step right here. Bonus project, seasonal ornaments. Now these aren't just for the holidays, they're great for wedding gifts, baby shower gifts.
They really do sell all year.
They're also great for promotional products.
And you could personalize them. Here we have a family tree with each of the kids' names on them.
We have stockings with each of the kids' names on them.
Here we have just an ornament that you could personalize with a last name or a location. These are perfect, easy projects to start with that do sell quickly and easily.
You can find cut files for the ornaments anywhere, but we have a step-by-step right here of how to create your own in Canva.
One last bonus project that was not on Garrett's list, but I thought we shouldn't go without mentioning, are these little night lights. These were a fun project, and they're a great way to personalize these for seasons or kids' names, rooms. These are great little sellers, and we also have a video for this project right here.
Now that you know what project you want to make, let's talk about pricing and marketing. For pricing, you want to factor in your material cost, your labor, and your overhead. And then a quick rule of thumb is to just times that by 3.
We have a calculator in our blog post on our website that'll help you calculate what your pricing should be.
For marketing, I would start with places like Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and my local craft shows.
We go into more details on how to build your marketing. We give you some marketing calendars and tips and tricks, all of that on our Patreon in our Master It tier.
I am about out of time. I'd like to give a big thanks to all of our patrons. We love you guys, and that is the best way to support this channel. It is a great community, and you get access to all of our files. Project number 5, laser engraved tumblers. These are always in demand for gifts. Project number 5, laser engraved tumblers. These are always in demand. They're great for gifts, events, corporate. Project number 5, laser engraved tumblers. Now these are always in demand, and they make
You can use these with your